Then he'll go on the other track and then pull it up. Watch this little change in a minute. Change on it.
Yeah, but
Coming up in front now with that. Michael wakes it up.
Look, they're going to move it. It's going to his box. I'm going to change it.
How old are you? 5.
I'll tell you. When you ready, you watch. It's going on to the track. Come on. Right, so it's a train doing it. And then you're ready, it's turning it. Ready, instead of going back on that track, it's going to come back on it. So it's going to turn to the carriages. And then he's going to pull it back to the station where we came from. But we're going to play in the park before we go back, yeah? Have a picnic in the park. Is it reversing?
Going on the old track now.